Hello, JFV crew, and not really a update to the channel, but I just got something in the mail that I've been waiting on. I'm not sponsored by this company, but I mean, if they want to. So I ordered some Dr. Squatch soap. You may have seen the commercials on TV, and oh man, I can already smell the pine scented soap that's in there. And I have been wanting to try this soap for a while. I just got my order here. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Let's see what we got in here. My deodorant, summer citrus deodorant. Oh, it smells good. This is not quite on there, right? Let's see. That actually smells pretty good. Ooh. Got a peppermint, frosty peppermint soap. And let me tell you, that smells freaking amazing. I cannot wait to try that. Here's that pine soap. Then I can smell them. Snowy pine tar. That smells good too. So I cannot wait to try this. It's all natural soap, all natural ingredients, and check them out, drsquatch.com. Again, I'm not sponsored by him, but if you want to try this soap yourself, and I got shampoo and conditioner to go with it, and I can't wait to try that too. That's the conditioner. This is the peppermint, the frosty peppermint shampoo and conditioner. So the box that I got comes with 2 of the peppermint bars of soap, the pine, 2 bars of those, and the shampoo and conditioner. And I can't really remember the price of that. I think it was $20-something just for the box, or for the combo box. So check them out. drsquatch.com. I'm gonna go take a shower now and try some of the soap out, and I'll get back with you. Hello everyone. Well, welcome back. It's been about 30 minutes later. 30 minutes later. I don't have the little graphic thing. Sorry. But I just got done using the frosty peppermint soap from Dr. Squatch. Again, I'm not being paid by Dr. Squatch, but it smells amazing even after taking the shower. It smells amazing in here. The entire house smells amazing. Pepperminty. And then I topped it all off with the summer citrus deodorant that they have. They also ordered. It actually tops the peppermint, so you got a pepperminty citrus smell in here. And as a big guy, I need all the help I can get to smell nice and fresh and nice and everything. And and this stuff, they don't have many soaps designed for men. You get either something flowery. You can always buy Axe or Dove or Old Spice or something, but it always has that little oily residue to it after you use it. And this stuff is actual soap, all natural soap, all natural deodorants, all natural shampoos. Doesn't leave that residue to you. Even my hair doesn't feel all residuey. It feels amazing, smells amazing. So go out and try Dr. Squatch at drsquatch.com. Again, not being paid, but so far I'm loving this. I hope to try the snowy pine tar scented soap that I also got, but the peppermint one smells just amazing. So go out and try it. Again, not being paid, but go out, try it. You'll like it. They have dozens of soaps and shampoos available to check out. So check them out. And until next time, have a good one.